centimeter long is lean against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height of the wall decrease when the foot of the ladder is 4 centimeter away from the ladder? Is it? So length of the ladder is given as 5 centimeter. If this ladder is 4 centimeter away, what will be the decrease in the height of the wall you have to find? Okay, is it? So let the bottom of the ladder be x meter away from the foot and y be the height of the ladder. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we'll get this one. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So 5 square is equal to y square plus 16. So y become 3. So the normal condition y is 3. Now what will be the equations? So this is, we have to understand what is given. The bottom of the ladder is pulled away from the ground, from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Centimeter means this is pulled. This is what? X. Rate. This quantity we have taken x and rate is given, so dx by dt. dx by dt is 2 centimeter per second, and we have to find what will be the decrease in the length. Length is y, here y. So dy by dt we have to find at x is equal to 4. Is it? When x is 4, that we have to find. So according to Pythagoras theorem, equation will be what? This is taken as x, normal condition, not 3 and y. So x and y is equal to 5. So according to Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is equal to 25. You must have some equation. Is it? So what will be the equation without these 3 and 4? So x, y and Pythagoras. Then you apply Pythagoras theorem. So x square plus y square is equal to 25. So 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt, 25 is constant, so 0. So what we will get if we simplify this thing? Okay, x dx by dt plus y dy by dt is equal to 0. Okay, what is the value of x when x should be 4? X should be 4 and y is 3. Is it? At that point, what will be the value of dy by dt? Is it? So dy by dt becomes minus 8 by 3. Next, a particle moves along the curve y is equal to x cube x square plus 2. Find the point on the curve at which the coordinate is changing 8 times as faster as the x coordinate. The point, what you have to find? Find the point on the curve. Point on the curve are x and y. So we have to find out the value of x and y. What is given? At which the y coordinate, is it? Changes. Y coordinate changes means dy by dt is equal to 8 times faster than the x coordinate. X coordinate means faster, means rate of x coordinate, dx by dt. So dy by dt is equal to 8 times dx by dt. Is it? This equation is there now. Dxy be the any point on the curve. So dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. How you got this one? Find the point on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times faster. Faster means all rate. Okay, faster means dy by dt is equal to 8 x coordinate, again faster, so dx by dt. So dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. Equation, this is the first equation we can consider. Now given equation of the curve is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. From we will take a derivative. If you take derivative, you will get 2 dy by dt is equal to x square dx by dt. Okay, we have to remove this dx by dt quantity. Why we were to remove? We want to find x and y. So better divide first and second. If you divide x and first and second, dy by dt and dx by dt will cancel out. Here also dx by dt, here dx by dt, dy by dt will be cancelled out. We will be left with only half. 1 upon 2 is equal to 8x square. If you do cross multiplication, you will get x square is equal to 16. So x is equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to plus minus 4. So when x is equal to plus 4, y, what will be the value of y? You have to find out. Is it? How will get here? Here you have to substitute. Y is equal to x cube plus 2 divided by 6. If you get it, you will get 11 for x is equal to 4, and for x is equal to minus 4, you will get minus 31 by 3. So the point on the curve are 4, 11 and minus 4, comma minus 31 by 3. Air bubble. Now what is the shape of bubble? Prachit. Bubble. Round. Not round. It is a spherical. Okay. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at a rate of half centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of bubble increasing when the radius is 1 cm? That is pretty easy. You know radius. Rate. So dr by dt. Radius of an air bubble is increasing at a rate of half centimeter per second, means dr by dt half centimeter per second. At what rate? Rate means dt, volume, dv by dt, when it is 1 centimeter. We have to find. What is the shape of bubbles? Yes, now I understood. It is spherical. So volume of sphere, V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. You take derivative of it, and dv by dt, r is equal to 1 centimeter. Is it? If you substitute, you will get 2 pi centimeter cube upon second. Okay. Question number 13. A balloon which is always remain spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. Find the rate at which the volume of its volume with respect to x. With respect to x, we have to find dv by dx. Is it? That is simple. So v with the volume of spherical balloon and r with the radius. If you substitute the radius, then we have to substitute x diameter in place of diameter r. We have to find it and substitute r value from this in form of x should be there, because we want to find the volume with respect to x. So from the diameter we have to find it r, and r we substitute, so it will be in x form, which we want dv by dx. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So d is equal to diameter this much. Half of it will be 3 by 4 2x plus 1, and you have to substitute here, so that it become d with respect to x. Okay, not r, x. Therefore we have to substitute this. Okay, so v is equal to 4 by 3 pi 3 by 4 2x plus 1 raised to 3. So volume v is equal to 4 by 3 pi. This is constant. Now with respect to the power, okay, with respect to power, so 3, then it will becomes, what is that? If it is open the bracket here, see, understand, this cube is 3 by 4 is inside the cube. So if you take the cube of 3, it will be 27, and cube of 4 you will take, then it will be 64, and this all is constant. So only this we have to take derivative, and into 2x plus 1 raised to cube. So just written like this. Okay, so v is equal to 4 by 3 constant. We have taken cube of 3 by 4 outside the bracket, only 2x plus 1 raised to cube remain. Okay, now we can take derivative. dv by dx is equal to 4 by 3 as it is, pi is a constant, then 27 by 64 also, then we have to take 3 with respect to power first. 3, 2x plus 2, then inside the bracket, what is that? 1 is 0, 2, derivative of 2x is 2, so here will be 2. If you simplify this, you will get dv by dx, v, not y, it is v. dv by dx is 27 upon 8 pi 2x plus 1 raised to square. Okay.